Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings, also known as Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 109. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Jiuyan and Akshu. Jiuyan said to her, "Then, why don't you rest in my room tonight?" "Oh, this is great." Since she was resting on her room tonight, of course, Jiyan and Akshu will live together tonight. Jiyan said, "Teacher Jing, can I squeeze in on one night with you first?" "Oh, this is great, right?" Jiyan at this moment, of course, Akshu. She cannot rejected her and said to her, "Then, let's do this for now." Looking at Akshu, she was a little bit blushing. Of course, this is a great plan. And Jiyan, to her happiness, of course, she hugged her, but looking at Akshu, there seems to be no choice, right? That's why she was right there and she is not moving around. When they back to the room, Akshu, she was reading books again. Well, she was waiting for Jiyan so the two of them can finally sleep. But when she looked up, she suddenly seems to be surprised. Jiyan was calling Akshu. After hearing Jiyan's voice, Akshu finally looked at her. Well, what could it be? Of course, at this moment, Jiyan already changed on her night dress, and looking at her, she looks really gorgeous and pretty. Staring at Akshu before they sleep. Well, right now, since Akshu, she was really surprised. Jiyan, she looks really good. Looking at Akshu's face, her reaction was really stunning. And she can blink her eyes, seeing Jiyan like that. Well, Jiyan said to her, "Can I came up?" Well, at this moment, Jiyan is asking her to be by her side and they can sleep soundly. But Akshu, at this moment, she looks really serious and said to Jiyan, "Otherwise, will you sleep on the floor?" Well, she was right. She knows that Jiyan is only teasing her. But right now, she's trying to be calm. Well, a little bit cold. Turns out, hearing this, of course, Jiyan, she was really sudden rush. Go to the side of Akshu. Right now, looking at this, Jiyan, she seems to be a happy kid, covering herself a blanket and is going to sleep with Akshu. Of course, she was really happy that this night is really happening. But, of course, two of them are looking at each other, looking at their eyes. They seems to be both flashing. Also, this night, they really feel strange. "Can you turn off the lights?" Akshu said to her. "You have to catch a flight tomorrow morning." Well, Jiyan said, "That's it." Turns out, they really want to take it off. But when everything is dark, Akshu said to her, "Why don't you sleep? I can bear to sleep." Jiyan said to Akshu, "Right now, of course, everything happened today. It was really nerve-wracking. Of course, she was really scared. So much that she can really sleep well on this time." Jiyan, she was reaching something. Well, did she really want to touch Akshu's face? She was right since we met again. Jiyan caressing Akshu's face. Of course, Akshu, she will really feels better. This moment, it seems that Akshu, since the two of them can see each other away, can see her changes in Yan Yan. Akshu said to herself, now looking at her. Although I don't know the reason, I don't know how long this chance will last, but at least I understand, Jiyan said to herself. Now, the two of hands are getting entangled with each other. We did have problems getting along before. I was the one who was moved first. It's because I can bear to let her make any changes for me. But right now, looking at it, at this moment, Jiyan is trying to coax her. Maybe because of this, we have never really opened up to each other before. Now, the entangled hands, looking at each other, of course, really feel strange to each other. Jiyan suddenly moved closer to Akshu. Well, looking at it, Teacher Ji, a tough, and now Akshu is letting her to do whatever she thinks. Right now, Jiyan, she moved on top of her. Well, the words stay where they are. She was blushing and her face is turning red. Also, Akshu, she was really pinned down. My unilateral and bottomless concessions will only increase the distance between us. It's getting farther and farther. Now, Akshu, she really feels strange. Her face is really flashing, and she was looking at Jiyan. Therefore, there's no need to say no words. Akshu said to her. Now, she put her hands onto her lips. She don't want to talk anything but. Well, finally, did Akshu finally agreeing to Jiyan? At least I can make the same mistake again. Oh, this is great. Finally, Akshu letting Jiyan to do things whatever she wants. Well, she was looking at her and she seems that Jiyan is really serious about these trivial things. Right now, she really let her. But Akshu said, give me some more time. Oh, is this happening? Or we can hang up again. This will be true. We can see things like this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!